guys, it's Celia and I'm back with another video. So today I'll be using Function of Beauty products. These are personalized products. They're vegan, cruelty free, and also free of sulfates and parabens. Now I totally forgot to film an intro, so you are just going to watch me take down my twist. I did pre-poo, so I'm taking down the twist and then I'll rinse that out. So just watch this while I give you some more information on the Function of Beauty products. So pretty much you're just going to take a quiz, answer some questions about your hair, and you will get personalized products for you. So my profile for my products was that I have coily hair. I know some of you won't agree, but I believe I have coily hair. As far as the structure, I wasn't sure if I had fine hair, so I went with medium because I know it's definitely not coarse. And then for my scalp, I chose dry because y'all know I definitely do have dry scalp. For my hair goals, I chose curl definition, deep conditioning, lengthening, soothing scalp, and strengthening. For my fragrance, I chose Eucalyptus with a medium strength, and I opted not to get silicone-free shampoo and conditioner because y'all know I'm not too picky when it comes to my products having silicone. So now that you guys have a background on how my products were formulated, I started first with the shampoo, which is sulfate free in an 8-ounce container. It's pink. I chose pink products because it's my favorite color, and the scent of eucalyptus because I wanted that nice therapeutic soothing type of wash day. So starting with the shampoo, y'all can instantly see it started to suds up and lather, which that is the number one thing I look for in a shampoo. I need lather. Just really makes me feel like my hair is getting clean. So I was already impressed initially because of that, that first thing. So I just went ahead, worked the shampoo onto my hair all over, scrubbed my scalp. The eucalyptus, although I chose medium strength, it was definitely really strong, which I'm not complaining at all, but just to throw that in there. But once I worked the shampoo onto the length of my hair, you could see it has slip. If you like to detangle with your shampoo, like, this might be for you. And overall, I just really loved how this felt. It felt very moisturizing, and even when I went to rinse my hair off, which y'all know is the big test, my hair was still left super hydrated, but it also was so nice and clean. So I was already loving these Function of Beauty products. So next I used the conditioner, and you're able to actually name your products. So mine are called Function of Goddess, which I thought was kind of cool. The pump that they sent for my shampoo was too long, which is why you saw me pouring it in my hand. But the pump for the conditioner was just fine. And again, has that nice eucalyptus smell. So putting this onto my hair, y'all, instantly I just had a ton of moisture, and my curls were soaking this up. They were looking so good, which always lets me know that, like, my hair is really liking a product. So I didn't tell you any of the ingredients in the shampoo. It definitely has a lot of, like, it has rosemary, lavender, peppermint, chia seed extract, things like that. But in the conditioner, it does have linseed oil, coconut oil. I see sunflower, avocado, peppermint. So it has some really good ingredients in them. Shea butter, which I'm sure is like helping with all this moisture in my hair. And although my hair was already detangled from pre-pooing, I'm 100% sure it would have just been a breeze if I did have tangles. So this conditioner, y'all, was amazing. Alright, so last but not least, I did use their mask. Now you can just get a shampoo and conditioner, but I wanted to try the mask because typically, like, y'all know I love deep conditioning. Masks are my favorite, and I usually like them more than the conditioner. So since my hair was already shampooed, conditioned, detangled, all I really had to do was slap this into my 2 sections of hair, which I did. And I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, I did really like the not the conditioner. I did really like the mask, but compared to the conditioner just shined and was so much more moisturizing. I personally feel like whatever they put in the mask, that should have been a conditioner, and whatever they did for the conditioner, that should have been the mask, because for me it was just like, you know, they should have been reversed. But overall, I did still enjoy the mask. I put that into my hair, let it sit for a little bit, and then rinsed it off. And overall, I just loved all of the products. They definitely did all work really good. I liked my little, you know, personalized products. Now, I do not have a discount code for these products because they are on the pricey side. The shampoo and conditioner sale for $39.99 plus the mask, which is $19.99. I don't have a coupon code, but I did use Lisette's coupon code if you follow her here on YouTube. So I'll link her video down below so you can get her code and save some money if you're interested. But that is my review on these products, y'all. I liked them. Let me know if you've tried them. If you're interested in them, I would love to know. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.